Bronnie from Rolling Thunder. Today we are going to talk about how to fit a helmet. So the first thing we do is, if you've got a tape measure, just measure around the head, just slightly above the eyebrow line, not too tight. And Bronnie's between 57 and 58 centimetres. So that's roughly it, well, it is a medium. So Bronnie will put the helmet on for us. So all helmets are different with various makes. There might be a smaller one and a medium in another. So as you can see, it's quite a firm fit. Doesn't matter that her cheeks are a little bit pudgy. Sorry, Bronnie. And because after a while the helmet will mould into the shape of your face. Just as long as it's not tight around this part, then that's the correct fit.